Hello folks, welcome to Sherwood Park Toyota, located at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. Today I'm going to be showing you this 2020 Toyota Sienna SE all-wheel drive. Now the most notable features on this SE is its DVD player. You also have your heated front seats and navigation system. Now I'm going to go through a couple more features on the inside and outside of the vehicle just to get you better familiar with this 2020 Toyota Sienna SE all-wheel drive. Let's get started. Now, a couple of the exterior features that you will see on this SE is its daytime running lights. You also have your fog lights, and then if we take a closer look just over on the side, you have your 18-inch aluminum alloy wheels. Now you also have your foldable mirrors as well as your heated mirrors. Taking a look on the inside of the mirror, you're going to find your blind spot monitoring indicator. Now with that indicator, it'll actually light up just letting you know if there is another vehicle right beside you. And then the other nice thing is, if we take a closer look just at the second row here, you have the second row captain seats, and then you also have the sunshade visors located in the third and second row windows. Up top, you do have the DVD player, which is nice because you can entertain the kids on those long trips. If you take a look down below here, you'll find the close button for the power sliding rear door. Now, parents, if you're worried about your kid or possibly yourself getting your hand or arm jammed to the door, you don't have to worry about that. It has the jam protection feature, so all you have to do, well, I should say you don't have to do this, but in the event it does happen, if the door does senses there's an obstruction in the way, it'll open itself back up automatically. Now, if you want to close it from the outside, just pull on the handle once more, and it will close for you automatically. And the color we're going to be taking a look at today is black. Now, taking a closer look just at the front dash as well as the front seats, you do have your black interior, power driver seat with lumbar support, traction control on and off. You also have, if you take a closer look on the inside of the door, mirror controls, window locks, power locks, and window controls. Now, a couple of the controls you'll see here on the steering wheel include your volume control, seek function, mode select, voice recognition, Bluetooth connectivity, lane departure alert, and cruise control. Now, if we take a closer look, it does have the push button start, so all you have to do is put your foot on the brake, hit the push button, and it will start up for you automatically. If you take a closer look just at the multi-informational display, you'll see a couple of different features on here. So you have a digital speedometer with a distance to empty. Your fuel economy will be on here as well. You can also go through and take a look at your compass, audio, lane departure alert, messages, and settings menu with ECT power, blind spot monitoring on and off, rear cross traffic alert, pre-collision system, lane departure alert, and a couple of other additional features. And as you can see, it offers the exterior temperature gauge located at the very top of the screen. Now, as you can see, if you go inside the menu screen, you're going to find your destination audio phone as well as a couple of other additional features. With the apps menu, it's part of the Entune app suite, so as long as you have it on your phone, you can use such apps as the Scout GPS app as well as your Slacker app, which allows you to stream your music from your phone onto the touch panel display. You can also check on local fuel prices or on the latest sports scores, just depending on what your preferences are. Premium JBL sound system with the Sirius XM satellite radio. Dual zone climate control settings with your rear temperature controls located down below. Matted to an automatic transmission. Heated seat controls for your driver and passenger with your USB and power outlet. And you'll find an additional one just located down below. Now, up top, you do have the auto-dimming rearview mirror with the integrated garage door opening controls, open and closed, and tilt up and down feature for the power moonroof, open and close for the power sliding rear doors, and power liftgate release as well. Taking a look at the backup camera, as you can see, you have those nice guiding lines in there, making things much easier for you when you back into a stall. Finally, we'll be taking a look at your rear cargo area as well as your tailgate. Now, if you take a closer look on the back, you'll find your backup camera on the left-hand side and the rear hatch release located just underneath. Closing in on the rear cargo space, as you can see, you do have that nice 60/40 split that actually folds down into the floor there for the third row. So if you need all of this additional cargo space, it is available for you. And if you need more additional space, you can actually have those second row seats folded down or removed completely. And the other nice thing is it does come with a cargo liner, so if you spill any liquids on here, it makes things easier to clean up afterwards, just because you can have it removed and clean up properly afterwards. If you take a look over on the right-hand side, you'll find that power outlet as well. And you do have some additional storage space located over on the left. Now, when this third row is actually folded up, you'll have some additional space located down below there, just in case you do need to throw your cargo back there with additional passengers as well. And then you have the power tailgate release, so all you have to do is push on the back of the tailgate once, and it will close for you automatically. Thank you so much, folks, for watching this video today. If you have any questions, please visit us. We're located at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. Phone number is 780-410-2455, or please visit our website at sptoyota.com to get us by email. Once again, folks, thank you so much for watching this video today. If you have any comments or any additional questions, please leave them in the comment section located down below. Other than that, make sure you have a great day, and I hope to see you next time.